How to log in to your GC Key account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into your GC Key account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is, of course, open up a web browser. After you open it up, simply search for GC Key Login. After you search for it, it should pop up like this. Now you will see this website right here. Tap on this, and after you tap on it, it will take you to GC Key login site. So right here you will see your username and password section. So type in your username and password. If you've forgotten your username, there is an option to simply recover it, and the same for the password. So just type in your username and then password and then tap on sign in. After you do that, you'll get logged in into your GC Key account, and that is basically all for today's video. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.